Hi guys, it's me again, Miss Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. I am here today to do another quick DIY tutorial. It's going to be a nice glam mirror. Um, it was something that I saw. I'm not sure where I saw it at, but it was really nice, and I wanted to recreate it um, because I wanted to use this nice mirror to set centerpieces on at events. So I decided to go ahead and do this. Um, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I have been super busy. I have so much going on right now. Um, I just did the Chanel birthday party I think I told you guys about. And now I have a vendor event coming up this weekend, and then the following week I have my DIY workshop. So I have been all over the place, and I'm not complaining because I really enjoy what I do. I want to thank all of my old and new subscribers. Thank you so much for all of the feedback. I'm still working on that camera, guys, so bear with me so that these videos won't be so, I don't know, off focus. I've been getting a lot of feedback about the camera. So I want to make sure I get that taken care of as soon as possible. It's just so much going on. Um, but I'm definitely going to work on that. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need these mirrors. Now, I don't know if you remember the video I did before where I used these mirrors. I took them out of a frame that I actually picked up from the Dollar Tree. I have a bunch of these that I'm going to be using. So if you guys have a Dollar Tree and they have those round mirrors in a frame, you should get them because they really come in handy. I also have this silver tray, serving tray that comes from the Dollar Tree. It's the round one. They don't have these very often, so when I see them, I pick as many up as I can. And then, you know, I'm all about the bling. So we have our bling that I picked up from Walmart. Then of course you're gonna need your glue gun and whatever epoxy you're gonna be using. So the first thing that I do is, of course, take the mirror out of the frame and then take your tag off the back of your serving tray. Sometimes it comes off easy, sometimes it doesn't. So we'll get that off there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place my mirror in the center here. So I want to use my glue gun. No, scratch that. You want to use your epoxy first. And you just want to kind of go around the edges because the mirror is not going to be flat in the middle there. So you're going to go around the edge here. I'm going to take my mirror to try and get that as centered as I can. So it seems I'll need a little more glue. Let's try this. A little closer here. That should do it. And you just want to clean that up. And an easy way to clean that up is to get some alcohol. But I won't go into that right now. So that's that. So now we have our mirror placed. Now the next thing I want to do is, because I want to put my large gems on the outside of this, I want to start with my small gems in to edge the mirror on the plate. So I'll take my small gems, and these already have adhesive, but I still want to add a little bit of glue, and I'll add it to the first one, and then I'll add it to the last one. So I'm just edging the plate here. See there. So I'm just edging the mirror here, and don't worry about your mirror. Okay guys, so this is the mirror edged with the smaller bling gems. So now I'm going to start adding the larger gems, and again we're just adding them the same way. So I'm going to add these in 2 rows. Again, we use our glue gun. And then you just basically continue around. So it's the same process. go. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off, and then I will bring it back to let you know so that you can see the finished product. Okay guys, so here it is, all completed and gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. And all I want to do is use these on the tables. And then I can add whatever centerpiece I want to add to it, or even if I just want to add a flower ball, it would look so gorgeous just sitting on the table. Let's see if you can see this. I don't know if that's... See how nice that looks? Just throwing a flower ball on there. So I'm all about simple and easy. This was very simple, very easy, very quick, and it's really, really gorgeous. So thank you guys again for tuning in. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.